All right, y'all, this is question number 6 out of 8.5, and it says, can we find the complex number in trig form? Okay, so y'all, what we're trying to do here, we're going to write it in this form right here, r cosine theta, I sine theta. So y'all, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to find my r, and we're going to take our x squared plus our y squared. So my x in this case, y'all, is 2 square roots of 3 squared plus 2 squared, okay? So remember, when I'm scoring something like this, 2 squared is 4. The square root of 3, when I square it, cancels that out. That's just going to be 4 times 3 plus 2 squared is 4 again. So my r is equal to 4 times 3 is 12 plus 4. That is the square root of 16, so my r is equal to 4. So far, y'all, I got my r value to be 4. Pardon. Next thing I need to do, I need to find my angle theta. So y'all, my angle theta is going to be the tangent inverse of my y value divided by my x value. So we're going to say, what's the tangent inverse of the y, which was 2, divided by 2 square roots of 3, okay? So y'all, what we can do here to simplify some things is we can say this is going to be the tangent inverse of, let's get rid of those 2's, 1 over the square root of 3, but y'all, I'm going to rationalize this. We multiply the top and the bottom by the square root of, by the square root of 3, okay? So this is telling me that, take the tangent inverse, 1 times the square root of 3, square root of 3, square root of 3 times 3 is 3 itself. So y'all, now what I'm trying to figure out is, what is the tangent inverse of the square root of 3 over 3? So y'all, I can come back to my deal here, and I can say, look, y'all, if I'm trying to find the tangent inverse of the square root of 3 over 3, in this angle, it's 30 degrees, right? So y'all, my theta would be 30 degrees. So again, the way I would write my final answer would be r, which we said this was a 4, and then those numbers, y'all, would just be 30s, right? But again, I had to do this part right here, where I had to rationalize my denominator, okay? So y'all, make sure that you do this portion again, where you got to rationalize, and it'll definitely come out, okay? You got questions? Let me